Hello, and welcome to A VO's Journey. My name is Anthony Pica. This show is all about helping the new and upcoming voiceover artists grow their business and sidestep all the crazy things that I seem to step on. Happy Monday. It is the 21st of June, and today we're going to be talking about how you can sell more commercial and broadcast rights on Fiverr. I'm really super excited to show you this. I know you're going to love it. If you haven't already, real quick, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button before we move on. Also, we're highlighting this week our ACX course. Of course, you know we have the Fiverr course, but we also have the ACX course, and there'll be a link below that you could check that out. So we'll get into that. But let's go ahead and dive into how to sell more commercial and broadcast rights on Fiverr. So I'm going to switch over my screen, and what you see here is this is one of my gigs, which is an evil male character voiceover gig. And what I've done is I'm on the gig and I'm on the requirements section under editing. And one of the best ways to sell more commercial and broadcast rights is to set up the set of questions you ask the buyer once they purchase from you, that they have to then fill out and acknowledge that either A, they want or need commercial or broadcast rights, or B, they don't want or need commercial or broadcast rights. So what I've done here is I'm showing you what I have on my requirements, and I find that this works great. First off, with your requirements, this happens after a buyer purchases a voiceover from you, okay? They purchase the voiceover, and it goes to the requirements page. What I do first, of course, is I thank them for ordering, and I then ask them to attach the script, including thoughts, styles, emotions, etc. Then I go immediately into making sure they understand what a revision is. Okay, that's important. I'm a big advocate for expectations up front and knowing about revisions. So I talk about revisions right off the bat. But what I wanted to really dive into with you is this second and third one right here, which is, do you need commercial rights? Do you need broadcast rights? Now, here's a little trick. If you use the multiple choice tab, so basically what you do is you come in here and it'll look like this. Okay, you get 400 characters. You can use mine if you want. Insert your price. You can use your own wording. But this is really cool. If you choose multiple choice and you put yes and no, Fiverr will insert an A and they will insert a yes and a circle where they can click on, or a no and a circle where they can click on. And it populates that in an order so that they know that if they click yes, it shows up that they clicked yes, that they need it. Okay, and then they can purchase that extra from you, or you can send them the extra after the order goes through, or they click no, which gives you also gives you a documented record that they said no, they don't need commercial rights, so that they've read this and say they don't need commercial rights. So what you do is when you hit this drop down, there's free text multiple choice attachment. You're going to use multiple choice, okay, and you're going to hit yes and no, or you're going to type in yes and you're going to type in no. You also want to make sure, okay, that you make this mandatory, where there's a little required button right here. Make sure you make it required, okay, and then you hit update. All right, and that will make sure that it is updated. It saves this, and you do the same for broadcast rights. Okay, same for broadcast rights. This works wonderfully, and people will either put yes or no, and if they put yes and they don't purchase it on their own, you just send them the extra. It works wonderfully. Okay, so this is what I do. It works great to get more people to buy commercial rights and broadcast rights. Okay, now, there is the slight chance, full disclosure, that some people will get here and be like, oh, well, I don't want that. I didn't know I had to buy this. So this is an opportunity for you to let them know, hey, it's okay. This is the first time we're working together. This time I'll let it, I won't charge you for commercial rights. Just so you know, next time we work together, just plan that in your budget, right? It's a way for you to also offer them something up front to sweeten the pot and to get a really good review if they're, not able to pay commercial broadcast rights. But it also makes sure that people aren't going to take advantage of you as well. The next thing, now, those are the ways that I get tons of commercial and broadcast rights paid for. Since I'm on the screen, I'll just go ahead and finish out. I go into revisions. All right. I offer $10. I'm actually going to change this on the screen here so that you guys can see, because I think I want to go to, I usually go to 50 words. So, 100 words, because I do 100, I do update, and again, I do yes and no. So basically, if they want a revision, okay, I ask them if they want to buy a revision. Remember, we're all about upselling. The more you can upsell, the more money you're going to make, the more your average price goes up, and then the more money you make from being up higher in the algorithm. Okay, so this is definitely a great place to also put yes and no for revisions. Okay, and the last thing I put on here is I always ask, why did you choose to work with me? Because they have to fill this out. They don't have to fill out at the very end when you deliver your order. They don't have to do a review. But in order for them to move on, they have to fill out whatever you ask them in these questions. Okay, and you'll get some really good feedback here as well. But the main part about the video today was to show you commercial rights and broadcast rights. This is a method I get a lot of purchases from, because people get on here, they don't know what it is, they don't know if they need it or not, and you clearly define it here. Make sure it's clearly defined. You can use my terms if you'd like, and use my words, and it will help you tremendously. Okay? All right, so listen, thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope this helped. Again, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Also look below. There'll be a link for the Fiverr course and ACX course, and you can also head over to avosjourney.com if you're looking for a whole bunch of other things to help you grow your voiceover business. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. You have a wonderful, wonderful Monday. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.